what, not to overcomplicate it or nothing like that. Look, this is super simple. You know what I mean? You guys got the book, you can cook along with us. You know, with the guides here, you're watching this video, that's what makes it so great, right? So look, I'm gonna just start out by this. I'm gonna take all of our dry ingredients, I'm gonna go ahead and just take it, you know what I mean? And just put them all right here. When I say simple, folks, you guys let me know down in the comment section below, you know, what you think. Is it really simple? Put this here. I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a whisk. Hey, I see my nephew done broke out the real deal right here, right? But usually when I'm out here cooking with it, when there ain't no camera, you know you give me a fork, bro.
Gotta make it look like something.
That's right. All right.
So in there we got garlic, we got onion, we got Creole kick, we got black pepper, cayenne pepper. In this bowl we got 2 cups of all-purpose flour. To that we're gonna add 2 cups of yellow cornmeal.
There you go.
Perfect blend.
Now look, here's the thing. We want that to be flavorful, right? So yes, listen, we always gotta season our flour mix.
Next, you want to break out the whisk and mix to combine. You want to make sure that the all-purpose flour and the cornmeal become one.
Hey, so that's one of the good things about, look, flour being white, cornmeal being yellow. Yep. You know what I mean? Hey, so you can just see it.
Now it becomes beige.
Hey, look, and that's why I like to use these glass bowls, so I can look up against the edge and see what's been, you know, thoroughly mixed. Okay, so look, one of the things that my nephew and I always say, listen, if you want great tasting batter or any type of flour, you got to do what?
Make sure you taste as you go. Now you don't have to take a whole tablespoon of it, but just a little fingertip will let you know if you're headed in the right direction. Tastes good to me.
Boom.
All right, so now that we've got the dry ingredients done, we'll start on the wet ingredients. I'm gonna start whisking these 2 eggs. To that, I'm gonna add a ½ cup of Frank's red hot sauce.
All right.
There we go.
And once you got that halfway mixed up, then I'm gonna go ahead and bring in the yellow mustard.
Yes, sir. That's how I know it's an old school recipe when I see the yellow mustard.
Hey, you getting down? Hey, we getting down to
secrets.
Getting down to my roots, man.
So we got 2 eggs in here. We got a ½ cup of Frank's red hot sauce. We got a couple tablespoons of yellow mustard. I'm gonna introduce a little seasoning to the party. There we go. That's gonna flavor the fish beautifully.
Seeing how, you know, you the nephew, I'm the uncle, you know, you the one that got to do that.
I don't want you to tire yourself out.
Is that it?
Just get in there and make sure they're well coated. Like so. Then we'll run them through that seasoned flour and cornmeal mixture. Just get in there, make sure there's no bald spots, make sure the fish is coated nicely. You want a nice crispy finished product.
Nice.
Shake off any excess.
Right.
Do that once or twice. Get your oil up to 350. And we'll be eating some fried catfish here momentarily.
Right. So that's cool too. Another thing is, I like to let it sit up for a minute and let it absorb and adhere. All right, look, so we ain't gonna bore everybody. I think they got the gist of it. This right here finna create something magical. If you ain't never had a chance to have nothing like this, you know what I mean? Don't let the mustard fool you. You know what I mean? Just try it, get back at us with the, you know, down in the comment section below and tell us what you think. Hey, so next step, we'll be putting them in the grease. We're gonna make them dance, man.
There we go.
Hey, so it look like we up to temp. We already checked it, you know, 350 degrees, it's holding solid. Okay. Actually, it's 370. You know what I mean? So when we put it in here, you know we're gonna have a little drop.
Drop a little bit.
Right.
The key is to make sure that the fish don't stick to the skillet or to each other. So once you get them in there, you wanna move them around a little bit, because if they stick to the bottom of the skillet, they'll start to burn a little bit, and you wanna avoid that. Also, never overcrowd your fryer. So we're gonna do this in 2 batches. Give it a little shake, make sure that they're not sticking to each other or sticking to the bottom. And this only will take a few minutes. All right, so we're about 3 or 4 minutes in. They're looking good, nice and crispy.
Hey, you know what? Those right there is perfect. Hey, somebody call iStock or something. Let's put them on there. Hey, maybe you guys can buy them too.
There you go. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and pull these fillets. We got a nice wire rack to let these drain. I prefer using a wire rack, that way you don't get soggy fish, because eventually that paper towel that you're using is gonna get soggy. And if your fish is sitting on a soggy paper towel, guess what? Your fish will end up soggy. So get yourself a wire rack. That's the way to do it, in my opinion. People, we're back in the kitchen with another masterpiece. As you can see, perfectly fried catfish, straight out of the Best of Both Worlds cookbook.
Hey, but why you do that though, bro? I mean,
Make you a sandwich.
Oh, for sure.
You guys know I'm always trying to starve him when he's in town.
Man, hey, he ain't lying.
Got a little tartar sauce, a little white bread.
Yeah. This is it right here, man.
I'm trying to cut the carbs, so I'm gonna hit mine with a little lemon juice, a little bit of this hot sauce. And we'll get in there for the taste test, guys. We're not gonna hold you up.
That's right.
I'm not gonna be rude since since you're in my house. I'll let you get the first bite.
All right, look at that right there, folks. Whew, at least it done cooled down enough.
That's perfect.
That right there, nice piece right here. I'm gonna go ahead and just set him here, right here. And I'm gonna do something a lot of people don't normally see. See me. Check this out.
A little hot sauce.
Just a little bit.
You acting unusual.
Yeah, brand new, homie. All right.
Gotta put the lettuce on there for health. There we go.
Gotta have a little green. You know what I mean? Now, that's cool. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on the top like that. Ah, yeah. Check this out.
There goes nothing.
Cheers, fam.
Don't get much better than that.
Man, it's crispy.
I need me a little tartar sauce on mine. All right, guys, if you want to replicate this delicious fried catfish, you can grab the Best of Both Worlds cookbook today and get free shipping with the code SHIPFREE. All the details are in the description box. Over 90 plus recipes from AB and myself, just like this one we recreated for you guys today.
This right here is fire, folks. Hey, listen, if you like this kind of content, you know what I mean, you want to cook along with us and all of that, don't forget to let us know down in the comment section below. You know what I mean? Grab the cookbook, talk to us there. Hey, with that being said, listen, I'm not finna over talk it. So if you're new to my channel, let me just take this time to say thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and tell everybody out there, listen, it's a channel out here that's simplifying these recipes and taking the mystery out of cooking. I'm glad I said all that, youngster. You know why? Because I'm about to eat. I'm out. Peace.